Today we'll be making spicy Thai basil chicken with almost all of the ingredients from my garden. I have a lot of basil and squash going, and also have cucumber. So I wanted to eat cucumber salad and spicy chicken. First, let's go harvest what we need from the garden.
Those are the serranos, right?
This is like 10-year-old plant. And while I'm here, I'm going to pluck some tomatoes for my salad. These are very good. I can just eat them raw too. Just a little bit of tomatoes. The basil is what inspired me to make this chicken. Since we have these beans, I'm going to put them in the ground chicken dish. These beans are very good. These are Mediterranean cucumber that I started from seeds. Here's a cucumber. This is a different variety, but it tastes good. I had it already. It's fun harvesting and eating. Let's put some of this tiny squash. Might as well just pluck them right before they get eaten.
Okay.
All right, let's cook now. Started by prepping all the ingredients from the garden. I'll start with the garlic. Actually, I have a garlic that I harvested from my garden. It's very small. So I'm going to clean that. Dan's going to help me clean the ingredients from the garden. So I'll give you a task to do.
Okay, I'm here. I'm ready.
So these green beans, just clean them out, like, clean out the end.
Like
really.
Regular green beans,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
How many?
A handful.
A handful. I'll do a mix.
Yeah. This one is good, the garlic. Smells good.
Yeah, very strong.
And this was garlic that I didn't eat, just planted because it sprouted in my pantry. So.
And notice we're not throwing away our scraps.
We're putting in a compost bin.
We're gonna compost all this.
Yeah, all the kitchen scrap, coffee ground, I never throw them away. I put them in my compost bin.
Very big. So you want
Just
me to
two.
chop these or?
Chop them very fine.
Very fine, okay.
Yeah. And the garlic too.
And is this onion or shallot?
It's onion.
It's onion from our garden.
But we should use this too. I'll do the eggplant next. Just cleaning the trim off.
I guess when we wash all the green beans and stuff, you can tell me if we need more.
Yeah. We're going to use squash too, so I'll just throw them in the wash.
Because we know our kids, or at least Isabel loves the squash, right?
Yeah. I'll keep the basil separate. Because the basil goes in the end.
Right. Oops,
Otherwise it'll become, yeah.
They go
I'm
bad.
going to cut off the bad one.
Oh, hey, that's up to you. You're the chef.
It's okay. I'll use it. See, all the bad parts gone. We'll use it.
Yeah, well, that's the other thing about when you have a garden. Sometimes you have to share things, but also...
There's no bite marks, so
right.
I'm going to use that.
You learn to sort of utilize what you have, whereas most people... I mean, obviously, if you saw something like that at the supermarket, you're not going to buy it. But when you have a garden...
Yeah, you don't want to waste it.
You don't always have the prettiest stuff.
Yeah.
But it is the healthiest. Okay, garlic, onions are done. All right, so I'm preparing the chicken, and right now I'm just cutting it into smaller pieces. And then I gotta chop, right?
Yep.
Now you can buy ground
chicken.
chicken, or if you have a dedicated laborer like me, you can just make them do all the work, right? So right now I'm just making bite-sized pieces, just to make it easier for me to chop.
I'm cutting all the veggies and stuff. It's because this eggplant is so tasty. That's why some critter got to it. I don't know what it is.
Okay, these are pretty small, bite-sized. I can start.
I'm going to start the pan while you do that. All right.
Nothing fancy to this technique here.
That's.
What do you think, honey? Keep going?
That looks good.
Good?
Let me see. Get a close up.
Definitely looks like minced chicken.
Yeah, minced chicken. Wow, Dan did a good job chopping this chicken, better than me. And it's nice. Put it in a neat pile. So, yeah, see the pan is hot now. What I'm going to do next is put this directly into the hot pan. So.
And you already have oil.
Yeah. Oof. Better wash this later. Wow, look at that. These chickens are almost getting cooked already because it's chopped very finely.
So are you cooking the chicken till it's completely cooked?
Mostly cooked. Then
Okay.
I can start adding the garlic. Lots of garlic. This is the onions from the garden. It's very mild. The recipe asks, usually people use shallot, but it's okay. So you have to add soy sauce, fish sauce, oyster sauce, teaspoon maybe. I'll just use my hand. Some sugar, Trader Joe hot chili oil. This chili oil is good, so I'm going to add.
We love that, right? We use it a lot.
Yeah. While the chicken is getting cooked, I'm getting ready on the salad.
Okay.
So this will be just roughly chop all the cucumber. Oh, look at the beautiful cucumber from our garden. Let me try one. Roughly chop.
Occasionally
check.
stir for my wife.
Okay, that's right. Yeah, so we can get started on eating. Dan's helping me. Oh,
It's-
this cucumber is so good. So fresh and crunchy. If you chill it, it'll be so good. And tomatoes from the garden too. I'm going to cut the tomatoes. Just a little bit. Some lime.
Is that from our garden?
No, we'll have fruits, but it's not ready.
Not
This is from
ready
the
yet.
store.
Good.
But I would say 95% of what we're cooking, everything's from our garden. Yeah.
Cucumbers, basil, serrano peppers, tomatoes. The chicken obviously isn't. The avocado isn't. We have an avocado tree, but it's
I'm gonna
not
put
doing great.
So basic, one avocado, but I already use a half. The only thing from our garden is avocado, lime, and chicken.
Chicken.
Maybe I like onions, so I'm gonna put some onions. Kind of messy, but that's it. The last thing is put a little bit of this chili oil. It's not that spicy, so mix it up. Oh, forgot salt.
We'll put a vague recipe in the description.
Yeah. So it may look spicy, but it's not. I add a chili oil for flavor. There you go. I'm gonna pour all the vegetable.
Okay.
Next, chicken is cooked. I want the color to be a little more red, so maybe. All right, I'm gonna put the vegetable next. I'm just gonna dump them all. They don't serve it like this in the restaurant. It's just I made it up because I want to use my vegetable. Look at that. I'm rinsing the basil from the garden. And then I'm going to water these chilies. There you go. That's what I do. Wow, this looks good. And I'm going to start adding some of the basil. Oh yeah, and I forgot the serrano pepper. I'm supposed to put this too.
Oh yeah, put the serranos.
Although we put chili oil, I'm gonna just cut it like this. It's done. Yeah, turn it off and then we're ready to eat.
Okay, cheers. Bon appetit.
How is it? I made it before. I just want to know what do you
The
think.
chicken is good. I like it.
I like all the squash.
It's good. The basil is really good. Oh, I just dropped my whole forkful.
It is very good with basil. This chili is not spicy at all.
No. The cucumber is very good, right? It's light. Kind of contrast, you know.
I think this is a very healthy lunch, you know. It's fresh, directly from our garden, just harvested before cooking.
Almost
And-
everything we got is literally right behind you.
Anyway, thank you so much. Don't forget to like and subscribe and follow us for tips and tricks on and how to cook simple ingredients, healthy ingredients.
Try making this. It's really good.
I was inspired to make this dish because I like the spicy basil chicken in the Thai restaurant, and we have so many Thai basil. So I decided to make my own version and add a lot more veggies.
These cucumbers are so good.
Eat it, it's all, I know you love cucumber.